This video will demonstrate how to perform a silent installation of NCSimul and the Mastercam interface using a batch script. All the required commands can be found listed beneath this video. First, let's prepare the environment. Make sure you have the installer files ready and that you're logged in as an administrator on the target machine. Start by extracting the prerequisite components from the base installer. Launch the command prompt with administrative privileges. Navigate to the folder containing the NCSimul installer using the cd command. Type in the installer name followed by the extract argument, then press enter. All the required installers will be extracted to a folder named Prerequisites. Now let's create a batch script file. Copy the given command from beneath this video and paste it into your preferred text editor. Update the install folder variable with the installer path. Then adjust the installer file names for NCSimul and its interfaces. Save your file using a .bat extension. Upon running the batch script, it sequentially installs all exe files from the prerequisites folder, followed by NCSimul with default settings, and finally, the Mastercam 2025 interface. That's it. The silent installation of NCSimul is finished. You can now find the application from the Windows menu. The interface has also been added to the Mastercam installation folder. If you want to install a different interface, make sure to check the NCSimul installation documentation or reach out to the local support team at support.ncsimul.us@hexagon.com.